just woke up, y'all. I'm about to take a shower. What's popping, y'all? See, we're just, I'm about to get ready. Yeah. So today is your girl birthday, period. So right now I just got out the shower. My boyfriend's taking a shower. So after the 10, we probably gonna go to breakfast. I don't know. It depends on what he got planned. But after 10, he gonna ask me what I want to do. See, so I'm about to put on what I'm gonna wear tonight, and I'm gonna show y'all. I don't know if y'all knew, but I got my hair done. It's kind of messed up now since I've been in the pool and stuff. We are in Wisconsin. It's still looking good. Let me tell y'all, I kind of want to give my hair braider a shout out. Y'all, she bomb. And the beauty of it, she right by my house. She's bomb. Okay, she's bomb. I'm gonna kind of try to give her a shout out. I'm gonna figure out how I'm gonna do it, but I think she deserves clientele 100%. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to get dressed and I'm gonna be right back. Okay, y'all, so your girl is dressed looking thicker than a snicker. Don't be stupid. He just now getting in the shower. I done got dressed and did all types of stuff. But I'm gonna come back to y'all when we figure out what we're gonna do and stuff. Right. This dress is really, really pretty. The top look good though. Good. Say hey, John. Don't do that in my video. It's good, John. John, how was that food?
Please forgive me, Lord. Huh?
Forgive you, Lord, for what?
The food,
please forgive me too.
The food was horrible. They should be getting ready to go out of business soon. Cracker Barrel in Wisconsin.
Don't say it was alright though. It could have been better.
I tell you what.
But I ate. I'm full. What about you?
I ain't.
You can't curse on Bill.
Huh?
You can't curse on Bill.
Oh. Huh?
Where we gonna go?
We're gonna go over there around the corner.
I want to go to the mall. I want to look around and see what they got. Say hey, John. I swear I did not know they had. I never seen a Build-A-Bear workshop. This is my first time seeing one. John, show them how fast you look. Show them the drip. Show them the drip.
Oh, okay.
You look so handsome, y'all. Who you know? Who you know?
Who?
Who you know? Look, don't do that.
You go look.
You right. I feel like a child going now. Love Bath Body Works. I love Bath Body Works. Strawberry pound cake, because that's what I got. A pound cake. What?
Quarter cake, shit. I need my mask on. Get on.
She like this. I'm saying, we all whatever this is. Oh, this is not nasty.
Get it.
What? I don't know, this kid's gonna bite me. Move. Nothing. I'm scared.
Put it on the counter.
Ooh. What is this one chewing on me?